right, good morning, everyone. I am Nakia Evans, your host for Sweet Freedom, June 24th through June 28th, and any days in between. So I wanted to come to you guys today because I need to issue the agenda, but I didn't want to issue it in writing without giving you some emphasis and energy with it, right? And some explanation, all right? So let's talk Sweet Freedom Weekend. First of all, let me just tell you what the theme of the weekend is. It's connect, collaborate, and celebrate. Three C's: connect, collaborate, and celebrate. All right. Our goal that weekend, our mission that weekend, we will provide easy, actionable tips and tools designed to help you professionally and personally. Our goal is to inspire you to achieve your goals and unimaginable growth in 2021 and 2022. All right, through collaboration, networking, coaching, and team building, you will discover how we make real estate fun again. Okay, so y'all heard that: personal, professional, fun, impact, unimaginable growth, right? So, how are we going to do that over a weekend or starting Thursday night? So, here's our agenda, y'all. Thursday evening, hopefully, most of you are checking into your hotel. We're going to have a networking happy hour, and you're going to pick up your registration packet, your registration bags at 6:30 on Thursday evening. Now, networking happy hour, yes, there's a bar, there's a happy hour. We will support the hotel our first day in. Hey, that's a secret. I'm going to teach y'all how to host events too. That's a secret. Support the bar, support the venue before you get started. Let's make it easy on us throughout the weekend, right? So we're going to have a networking happy hour at 6. You can show up as early as 6 p.m. Registration, pick up your bag. Networking happy hour 6:30. A lot of people are in by 6:30. That last flight from Baltimore came in and allows you to get to the hotel before 6:30. Planned that out very well, didn't I? Yes, I did. All right. So after we've celebrated, met new people, networked, and met people for the first time, we are going to then have a pajama party. Okay. Our pajama jammy jam. All right. That starts after registration, after you got a few drinks, after you loosened up a little bit, and then you want to join us in the conference center because our decorating, our team event planning volunteers will be in the conference center decorating and getting things together for the weekend. So put on your jammies and come over and jam with us. We're gonna have some music, pajamas, decorating, volunteering, lots of fun and laughter. And again, still meeting people if you didn't get in early enough for the networking happy hour. Second chance is the pajama jammy jam. All right. So on Friday, we get into collaboration and culture. All right, so welcome. I'm going to do the welcome at 8 a.m. Guess what that is, y'all? Our 8 a.m. coaching is going to be live. You can, you will, and you must arrive by 7:45 to the hotel lobby. Grab some breakfast snacks and join us in that conference room. We are going to record that coaching live, or we're going to record it and then, produce it. But it's going to be a sample of our 8 a.m. coaching call. Okay. Next up, the theme is Dream Big. Okay. That is, I guess, the title maybe of my speech. Then our first panel is our More Than Just Friends panel. All right. Then we get into the first 48. That's the Nakia and Rich story. Next up, we are going to be finding your leaders. We're going to teach you how to find your leaders. That's Patty Kohlmeyer and Rich Thomasini. It's the first time my two coaches, my two mentors are meeting, and they're going to collaborate to teach you how to find your leaders for your group as well. Next, it's Think and Grow Rich. Who knows what that means? Think and Grow Rich. Who's our presenter? You guys already know. Rich Thomasini for that one. He's going to go through revenue share. Okay, revenue share. Think and Grow Rich. All right. Next up, and last but not least, well, we're going to get a good break on that Friday, right? Because we're going to go from 7:45 to about lunchtime. There's a food truck coming. All right. Food truck will be there from 11 to 1. All right. So you're going to get some lunch from the food truck, or you'll be able to venture out into Charlotte and the surrounding areas, or have lunch with someone that you just met, dinner with someone you just met. But Friday night is called Dance, Dance, Dance. Yes, we are having a party. It's my birthday. It's Larry's birthday. Some more birthdays this month. Kelly's birthday. We're going to celebrate. We're going to dance, dance, dance. So we got DJ, dance, and music, dance floor. Okay. We are going to turn our coaching space into a dance hall. All right, y'all ready for that? That's Friday night. Listen, we only been here 2 days, and listen, all that excitement, right? So Saturday, it's called Connect the Dots. And y'all, guess what? Y'all get a break. So since we're partying all night on Friday, you guys don't have to come to the conference room until 11. Around about 10:30, 10:45, I'll have some breakfast snacks and all that good stuff. Um, but we're going to connect the dots in our business. All right. So we're going to have a photography tutorial with my favorite, my absolute favorite, and probably my only photographers, right? And videographers, Gabby and MP. You guys have met them already. So we're going to have a photography tutorial. By the way, guys, they are going to have photo packages for realtors available throughout that weekend. We're going to transform the conference room area into a photo studio when we're not using it. So you guys get to take some professional photos with Gabby and MP. So look for that, all right, on Saturday and Sunday. Sunday, I think, is the day for that too, during our hours of downtime. All right, next we're going to have the EXP Power Girls. All right, it's social media and attraction and productivity secrets. All right, so we have Alexis, we have Robin, we have Colleen, then we have Audra and Flo. Y'all, that combination there is going to be a panel. Oh, I didn't tell y'all that my daughter is running some of these panels. You guys, my daughter is a speaker, a host for events. So if you need someone, you guys get in touch with me. I'll put you in touch with my daughter. She hosts panels, she moderates panels and hosts events. Speaking engagements is her thing if you need her to speak from the millennial point of view, or an accountant's point of view. Call me and I'll put you in touch with her. She's available. Like that plug, don't y'all? All right, so we got our social media, attraction, and productivity secrets straight from our EXP Power Girls. Next up, we're going to have a talk, and that's when I come back, right? It's called Let's Be Clear. This is hard. Mm. Let's be clear. This is hard. So that's going to be Nakia and Greg. You guys are going to meet a new business partner, Greg. Greg has some credit restoration business, or get ready to buy a house business. Okay, so as simple as I can put it. He also, his wife is a serious realtor in the Charlotte area, so we're going to get to meet her as well. They have a team, an EXP team here in Charlotte, North Carolina, and we are going to talk about credits, referrals, and more. But listen, it says, let's be clear, this is hard. So did you guys guess that I'm going to turn into the boot camp lady on that day? So y'all know about my boot camps, right? All right, so that is called Let's Be Clear, This Is Hard, Nakia and Greg. Then again, we'll have time for some headshots. And then guess what? Y'all get to explore Charlotte, shop, eat, hang out with friends, meet new people, meet your team. Some of y'all, this is your first time being with your team members also, right? And then in that day on Saturday, we'll have some celebrations, and team leaders that are looking at this, schedule a celebration dinner or schedule a celebration something with your team during this break. Okay, between the we should finish up about 2, but guess what, we reconvene at 8, only if you want to, for a glow after dark pool party. Glow after dark pool party. All right, Nakia and Stacy was involved in the planning of this. I just want y'all to know it was me and Stacy. Okay, some of these ideas. Okay, and the pool party starts at 8. So glow after dark pool party. All right, so let's get into Sunday real quick, and then I'm gonna end this because y'all are probably getting tired of me already. All right, so Sunday, mind, body, and bank accounts. All right, another food truck for brunch, 11 to 1. They'll arrive at 11. We'll start at 11. So during any of that time, you can get some brunch. Oh, no, I think I did 10:30 to 12:30, something like that. I don't know. But we're going to have brunch on the food with the food truck. Then we're going to talk about daily affirmations and manifestation, resiliency, mindset, with gratitude. Thank you. We have a lot of thank yous to do also on Sunday. All right. And for those who are staying over, another pool party or maybe a field trip by the pool, another pool, and just a hangout. Or again, your agent photo sessions, your professional photography headshots or photo sessions, videos, anything you want to book, Gabby and MP for. And then Sunday night, if you are still here, it's ladies' night, men's night, or couples therapy. Couples therapy is date night, y'all. Couples therapy. Y'all like that name? I named it, of course. Ladies' night, men's night, or couples therapy. You get to hang with Nakia, whose birthday is at midnight that night. You get to hang with Larry, whose birthday is at midnight that night. Yes, me and Larry have the same birthday. How'd that happen? Or you get to hang out as husband and wife and wife, husband and husband, but you get to hang out with your spouse, okay? If you don't want to party, if you don't want to do men's night, guy talk, or if you don't want to go to couples therapy, you pick one. All right, pick one, but you can't do all three because they're going to be all at the same time Sunday night. All right, so that may be some people's flight home on Sunday, but if you stay on Monday and you stay all day Monday, if you're not going home till Tuesday or late Monday, we're having a birthday tailgate at the Cedar Stump Pub. Okay, Sheena Shaw and her husband were wonderful on supporting this event all through the weekend. He is our sound system and DJ, all right, for the weekend, and she is another person who helped me plan and is helping me to sponsor and kick off this event and have this event here in Mooresville, North Carolina. So the Cedar Stump Pub tailgate party is open to all of EXP. So even if you're not attending the event, or if your team is not attending the event over the weekend, make sure you invite them to the tailgate so we could support Sheena and her husband, for Sheena and Jeremy. I know his name, y'all. Sheena and Jeremy. So that we support them and give back to them for helping us with this event weekend. All right, that's it. I think that was enough. I don't know how long it took me to explain that, but that's it. So y'all hear what kind of clothes y'all need? We need party clothes on Friday. You need pajamas on Thursday. You need swimsuits, multiple swimsuits. Bring a beach towel because you'll probably need it. Bring enough swim stuff, swim shoes, enough for the whole weekend. Dressy, 2 dressies. Daytime casual, t-shirts, jeans, leggings, whatever you want to be casual. Don't forget, we're in a hotel. It gets cold. Bring a jacket. I'm cold right now in the morning. It's hot outside, but I'm cold, right? So I have my jacket on. Be prepared to have fun. Be prepared to laugh. Be prepared to meet new people. Be prepared to fill out your new workbook. Be prepared to take notes in your notebook, okay? We have plenty for you to do, new things to eat, new things to try, new people to meet. Let's get moving. I'm ready. I don't know how I'm going to survive these next couple of weeks. I'm ready to see you guys. Let's get moving. I'll see you soon. Thank you.